we are looking at here is a 1986 Casablanca Lady Delta in antique brass. I have yet another one of these. Lady Deltas seem to be very common in my area. Slumber 3, just like all of them are. It's just a basic Lady Delta here. Nothing exciting about it. It has no hang true. So that's I'm just using that white one so I can hang it. Because the seller trashed the original hang true because he's pretty dumb, I guess. Hold on, I have it already on. Okay, here's low. Just doing a quick, crappy video of it because there's nothing really exciting here. I put new bearings in it. The original ones were terrible. And the finish is also not perfect, but it's still pretty good. This is kind of worn out. And it starts shaking ever so slightly on medium, and on high it shakes quite a bit. This will be on eBay soon if anybody wants it. And there goes the shaking. But it is very powerful. Lady Deltas are a powerful fan. And like I said, this will be on eBay if anybody wants it, but no hang true. Otherwise, it's complete, except for the hang true. But there you have it. That's all I got for this antique brass Casablanca Lady Delta from 1986.